Hello everyone, welcome to IIBM Patna. We are here to present our finding on recent survey which conduct on 100 students to find out their preference, and our topic is online versus offline study. I am Kumar Tushant Singh from MBA second semester, and alongside me my teammate.
I am Harshad from MBA second semester.
Before I start this presentation, I really want to thank Kausami ma'am to give me a practical project where we learned lots of things like build patience. While doing this research, lots of students don't want to interact with us. They feel very shy. So we do lots of persuasions. Now let's jump into screen. As you see on this screen, we take 100 students as a data. As you know, our college provide limited course. So getting more dynamic answer, we go through other college student too, like MCA from DU, MA from Patna University, BA from Patna Women's College, and in other we get student from SRM College and KIK from Odisha. Our methodology was to ask standard questions where we asked 20 questions, and our objective was to critically evaluate concentrations, time management, and other effectiveness of student. These are some questions we asked from student, like which mode of learning do you generally prefer? Rate your concentration level online versus offline, where we give a grade from 1 to 5. How often do you attend online classes as well as offline classes, and so more. The general preference, rise of hybrid, like 62% students say they like hybrid learning, where the mixture of both online and offline. Concentration level, 78% students give rating high and very high. That makes 4.08% on rating on offline learning get more concentrations, while 61% students give online rating as high or very high. That make 3.54% rating in online. The biggest advantage of online learning is flexibility. You can learn anytime, like in midnight or early morning. Online learning gives you very flexibility. Second, 26% agree with access of recording lecture. So you can watch anytime. And 23% students agree that online learning saves time, while 8% agree online learning gives comfortable environment. Now let's discuss about advantage of learning. 39% students agree that online learning gives a flexibility. They can study anytime, like midnight or early morning. 26% students agree that online learning gives access of recording, so they can watch anytime. 23% students agree that online learning saves traveling time, and 8% agree that online learning gives comfortable environment. Now let's discuss about disadvantage of virtual classes. 35% students agree lack of concentration. 35% students agree that online learning gives lack of concentrations. Like lots of students get distracted from YouTube ads and other kinds of ads. 26% students agree that less interaction in virtual classes. They get only monologue teaching. Now, this slide explains disadvantage of virtual classes as known as online classes. 35% students agree that online learning gives less concentrations. While doing online classes, they get distracted from ads. Second, 26% students agreed that online learning gives less interactions. While learning online, they feel teacher only give a monologue, and 80% students believe the screen fatigue. Their eye feel pain while doing online study. And last, 21% students feel technical issue while doing online learning. Like lots of students say while learning on Zoom, they feel lots of glitches. Now, which mode provide better interactions with teachers? And 75% students agree with offline learning. They feel more interactions in offline study. Let's discuss about engagement versus interaction dynamic. 42% respond they feel lots of engagement in offline learning, while 41% believe that they feel more engagement while doing both of things, online as well as offline. Teacher interaction. 75% students agree they feel more interactions in offline study. The biggest advantage of offline learning is 24% students agree they feel better interaction as compared to online learning. 22% feel better concentrations, and 22% feel classroom environment give a best option for learning anything. Now let's discuss about disadvantage of offline learning. 41% students believe traveling time is a main problem for offline learning. Suppose any student which come from outskirts of Patna, they lots of time spent on traffic. 21% believe the fixed schedule. 70% believe higher expense, and 11% believe physical fatigue.
Thank you, Tushan. Now let's discuss about this pie chart. So the question is that which learning method do you find more effective? So 43% students choose that hybrid learning method is very best for the student, and 38% students choose that offline learning is best, and rest of the 19% choose that the online learning is the best. So we asked the student that which learning mode would you recommended for the future education. So in a pie chart, 71% students choose that the hybrid learning method is best for the student, and 15% choose that the fully offline, and rest of the 14% choose that the fully online. So now let's discuss about the conclusion of this survey. In conclusion, we see that the hybrid learning mode is the most effective for the student. In online learning support better time management, and in offline learning support the interaction with the teachers. So the hybrid learning method is the best for the future or for the students. So thank you.
I hope you like this video.